So guys, okay, this trade just kicked me out now. This one just kicked me out. It's fine. $120. It's fine. I'm good. So good people, you said we are okay. Before I go further, guys, look at this trade. Before we go further, I want to show you this. You see, I sent you, yeah, this is a steady. I sent you, it was still here. I think around here. I sent you this. What I was expecting the market to push down till this level. According to my structure, yes, the market was supposed to push down. Like I think it's Sister Taban was saying that according to her structure as well, because it's correction in an ascent manner, so it should shoot down, but it didn't.
Yes.
It didn't shoot down. It did just shoot up. But yes, I benefited here. But what's better, what's nice is that my profit was already protected when I was here. Was already because I placed this trade here. It was still here. My stop loss was just above, and I was just enjoying the benefit here. So yeah. So guys, yeah. Sometimes it happens. So because really I was expecting it to shoot down to come here. My target was here, but it didn't do that. But anyway, it's fine. There's USD pushing down now. We don't know for how long it's gonna push, but anyway, it's fine. I'm not there. I'm not gonna place it anyway. So I think I'm sorted. Okay, I almost said let me share the chart. Okay, let me just go to USD CAD. Yeah. USD CAD is fine. Where is USD CAD here? I trade everything, guys. I trade everything because my strategy allows me to. This thing of saying no, I don't trade A, B, C, D, and F. I trade only Y. Is this what you are looking for? Okay, let me just remove. I'm removing all the indicators. Let me just make my chart a little bit bigger. Okay. So, guys, especially new guys, when we trade, we trade impulse and correction. Eh? What is impulse and correction? It's something like this, guys. The market will shoot up and create some correction or sort of like a pullback and shoot up again. Okay, this is a correction. Yeah? It's an impulse here, it's a correction here, and it's an impulse again. Where do you trade? Where do you enter the trade? You enter the trade as soon as it breaks this correction. Yeah? Again, the price coming from top, create a correction. I'm checking now because it should be an ascending here. Create a correction and shoot down. Okay, this is a correction, guys. Sorry, this is a correction. This is an impulse, created a correction and shoot down. Where you enter after it broke the correction. Simple and straightforward. Your duty is to go to your chart and look for correction, impulse and correction. In a big structure, maybe in 2 hours, in 1 week, there'll be impulse and correction, but you cannot place that order, that trade. But what do you have to do? You have to go down. So what we're gonna be doing now, we're gonna be doing something called top-down analysis. So let us check. Let us check how we're gonna do this. Oh, again, this thing is. I think I said I found this thing how to do it, how to deal with it. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So guys, now I got a strategy. This thing is to give me hard time.
Yeah.
Now I got a strategy. I understand. Okay. So yeah, guys. So we trade like this. We trade like banks. Because they wait. They push the price. As you see the price pushing like this. Check the price has been in 15 minutes pushing like this, and here created a correction, impulse again. So yeah, once you see the price pushing like this, you must know that the banks and hedge funds, they are in the building. They are pushing the price. Are we together? So let's go to okay. Let's go to 15-minute time. Oh, we're on 15-minute time frame. I'm looking for something here that is similar to what I just shown you guys. If I don't see it, I'll see it maybe on 1 hour. Okay, let me just go to H1, 1 hour. Let's get to H1. Guys, please forgive me. My PC is low. It's not you. It's my PC is low. Guys, when I talk about impulse and correction, let me just single this. Talking about something like this. Okay, I want to accept this for now. Okay. Something like this, guys. Something like this. This is this impulse and correction. You see? The price is pushing down impulsively, and it's creating some correction, and it pushed down again. That's how the market goes. So can you imagine, guys, you as a trader, your duty is to wait for this impulse and correction, is to wait for this is to wait for the market to create this correction, yeah? Create this correction, and you enter. You see, guys, what I always tell you, that the market, if the market form, if the correction is in an ascending form, this is an ascending form. It's like a pullback, continuous pullback. This is an ascending form. Now, if the market is like this, yeah? And thereafter, as soon as the market breaks this, and that's why you enter. Check how many pips you burn. A lot of pips. So yeah, so you always find this in the market. That's what we have to look for. Okay, guys. So now we're going to 1 week time frame. We start from 1 week and see what we see, and check what we can see here on 1 week time frame. Or let me just put this one here. Keep it here. I think, okay, 1 week time frame. Today I forgot my water, but anyway, I'm not going to be long. Okay. I forgot my water.
As a professional trader,
it's not normal as a professional. Guys, you can make your thingy, your chart like this. Is up to you, né? It's fine like this, but because I want to show you nice and easy, this is what I was talking about. This impulse, this is a correction. Impulse again. Yeah? You can see that.
yeah,
do you mind if we analyze the chart like this? Do you guys mind? Can you see? Or because other people have got problems with us. Are you fine with that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So the first thing that I do, I just the swing high, put the mark there, the swing high, and the swing low. That's the first thing that I do on 1 week. Yeah. But I can see here that the market was pushing up, creating this push down correction, and this correction here. But the part that I'm going to be working with is this part from here. That's what matters the most. What is behind me? The previous history doesn't. I'm not going to use it because it's useless for me. It's not going to affect the present. So something that happened here cannot affect, like something that happened or on the 2nd February 2015. Do you think it can affect what's going to happen tomorrow?
No.
If you think that way, I think there'll be something wrong with you. Okay, cool. So, okay, not something wrong per se, but yeah, okay. So it's pushing down, the market is pushing down. So guys, let me just do like this now. Let me just do like this. So for new people, I forgot that, yeah, people who said no problem, people who, okay. The market is pushing down, guys. Yeah? From here, so I can even see, I can point something else now again. From here, I can just see that it's going down in a correcting manner. Yeah? In a corrective manner. So if I do this, so is this a correction for me? Is correcting going down? In an is ascending? Yes, it's ascending. It's ascending.
Descending.
English. Yeah, good. It's descending. Descending. Yes. Sorry. My English, what happened? It's still sleeping. Yeah. It's descending. Okay. Okay, cool. So yeah, let's move on. Now, okay, I spotted, okay, the market is going down. So now what is happening now? What I'm waiting for now? Okay, I have to go on daily because even if I can see what is happening here, I can't do anything, but I have to go on daily to see what is really happening on daily. Then, so I'm gonna go to, okay, let me just do this. I want to remove something. Sorry guys, I want to remove something here. Okay, I'm gonna go to 1 day. Okay, I want to remove. Can you still see my chart, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, you can see what I do here. Okay, now the chart is. I want to remove something here. That is okay. Good. Yeah. Okay. I wanted to remove these icons that were here. So okay, we go to 1 day daily time frame. Guys, you guys, as we're on 1 week time frame. Let me go back because I want to stress something. As we are here, guys, especially you guys, each candlestick that you see here, these things we call them candlestick, you know that. Each candlestick represents 1 week. So the next candlestick will see it after a week again. Yeah? So now we are going on daily time frame. 1 day, daily time frame. Each candle that you're gonna see on daily time frame represent what? 1 day. It will happen, whatever happened, it will happen for that. It's something that happens for that day. Okay, let me just do like this. You see the market was pushing down, yeah? And now I'm checking here. What is happening? So when it got here, the market started to push up, yeah? So what I can do is this from here. From here to create, but I want you to be aware that when you create a channel, sort of like a channel, it doesn't mean that if you create a channel here, put a trend line for your channel, it must be it must have a twin. Yeah. It doesn't mean that all the time it must happen like that. Okay, it's not a must. Okay. It's not a must. It's not a must. Okay, so from here I go to 4-hour time frame. Let me go to 4-hour time frame. Let me go to 4-hour time frame. I want to do something here, guys. I want to do something here. Sorry again. Okay, I can't do it here. Can you see me, guys? Okay, no problem. Okay. So now let us go to what? Okay, on our time frame here. So what I'm gonna be doing here? So what I'm gonna be doing is going to 4-hour time frame because now I've labeled the 4-hour time frame. Now going to a 4-hour time frame now. Okay. 4-hour time frame. When I'm here, that's where you can be able now to see nice and clear what has been happening here. Yeah? Because at the end of the day, we can see the structure. We want to figure out where the market is going at the end of the day, where the market is going. You can see here, even here, has been creating, pushing down. Okay. From here, the market is pushing down here, correction, and it's pushing down again. Okay. Let me just change my pen because my pen, let me make my pen red for now. Oh, yeah. The market, okay, not red. Let me make it, this color. The market is pushing down here. And it created a correction here and it's pushing down again. And you can see here, the market is correcting here. You can't enter here. And there's an impulse going down here. Okay? And the market created some correction here. And thereafter, it pushed up. Yeah. Yeah. And you can't enter here. You wait for the market to create corrections. And thereafter, you enter. As soon as it breaks that correction, that's where you enter. Okay? So let's move on now to, because this is 4 hour time frame. Yeah? This 4 hour time frame. So there's no use, because I can see, like for instance, I can see here, I can say this, the whole thing here was a correction. See, I can say the whole thing here, even here. But yeah, even here, I can say, although it's okay, let me just sort this one. Yeah, but when you go to check here, the market push up, yeah, and created a correction and is pulling back. You see that? The market pushed up and came back, created this correction. This correction. Okay, let me make it look nice and tidy. Yeah. This correction, the market created this correction, yeah, and the market is pushing down. Yeah. So let's go to 1 hour, not 2 hours, because 2 hours will still give us something. Let's go to 1 hour and see what do we see here on 1 hour. Okay, let me just remove all these. I don't use indicators, guys. I don't use indicators. The reason I don't use indicators, I can't use them. Not that I can't use them. They didn't work for me. They didn't work out for me. This thing of you buy when the other one cross the other one, when the AM 200 crosses. No. It doesn't work like that. No, for me, I'm fine. I'm fine like this. I'm fine like this. It's not that those who are using at the wrong side. No. Don't get me wrong. So now we're on 1 hour. Eh? We are on 1 hour. What do we see? We see that the market, okay, from here, the market is pushed. The market, remember, guys, the market is going up, isn't it? The market, remember that the market is going up. Yeah? The market is going up because when you go on 1 week again, 1 week time frame, let's check here 1 week time frame. There's something that I want to point, of which because I spend a lot of time analyzing this one. Yeah, this was sort of like a double bottom. Yeah, in fact, it was here. Sorry, it was here. Yeah, most people they thought it was gonna sell, until find the market went down in a correction manner. Remember, it went down in a correction manner. It was not, didn't go down in an impulsive way. Yeah? So that's where most people got caught. Like if you sell here, definitely you are going to be on the wrong side of the market. Okay, the market is pushing up now. So let's continue. We're on 1 hour. We are on 1 hour. We are on 1 hour. Let's check. Because now you have to be smart when you do this, when you trade these things. Né? So now we are here. Okay, now we're here on 1 hour. So now we know that now the market now is trying to push back. Eh? Created this correction, market is trying to push back now. Yeah, and created a correction and push below this correction. So here you would have placed your trade if you wanted to, but at the end of the day, you must bear in mind that the market is pushing up. Okay, here on 4 hour time frame, you can, even if the market is going up, you can still find a sell. Okay, you can still find a sell at any given time. You can. So let's say the market is weekly is going up, and on 4 hour time frame, you can still find a sell. Because sometimes you find that on 4 hour it's a buy, but on 15 minutes is a sell. Have you noticed that?
Yes.
Yeah, it happens often. It happens often because we're using different time frames. Let's go to 15 minutes where we look for entry. So now we're here Looking what? Looking for an entry. This one's supposed to be here, by the way. Hey, this thing is the same as I did earlier on. Here it's supposed to be an entry. We're looking for an entry here. So if I do like this, okay, sorry. Okay, like this. We can see that the market, didn't I give you this trade earlier on? No, it's not this one. It was Euro NZD. Okay. Here, the market in this point, it pushed down. There's a small correction here. Small correction here. The market corrected here. You can see that.
Yeah.
And after that, the market broke that correction. Yeah. Something like a correction again. So the market can go down or the market can push up again. So, but it doesn't give us something concrete. This one doesn't give us something concrete. Honestly, it doesn't give us something solid that we can work on.
Yeah.
So here I cannot place any trade here. It's a matter of me waiting and see what it does. So maybe it will come back, and because it's a buy, yeah? I can wait for it to come here, push up here. Oh, okay. Yeah, let me take a pen, it's fine. I can wait for it to come here, push up here, create some correction here, and push up. So because trading is all about being patient. Yeah. So of which my line was here. Now, okay. Now I can move my line to be wait, what am I doing now? Hey, I don't know. Okay, let me just do this. Okay. I can move this one to here. There's still another problem for me because now it didn't make a 10 here. So I can move this one to this area now. I don't mind doing that because the market didn't do according to my prediction. So now it's still here. We are still looking for what? We are still looking for a buy, isn't it, guys? Sorry. We are still looking for a buy. I want to move this. We are still looking for what? I think somebody's making, I don't know. You are breathing heavily or your mic is close to your chest. As you are breathing, it's interrupting us. It's making some funny noise. Maybe I think you are having your headset and your mic is touching, like, I don't know if you can hear that noise. Yeah. I don't know who's that, but anyway. Yes, sir.
We are expecting USD.
Yeah, here, even here, I can buy here, guys. Even here, I can buy here, and my stop loss be below here. This thing of time. You see, guys, we're gonna be running out of time. I need that money in my bank account. I need it. I'm just kidding. Okay, yeah. So but we are still fine because still got 9 minutes. Yes, I'm expecting a buy, sir, because the market is pushing up, isn't it? And check. This is a bull flag, and this is a bull flag. It's in a correction. Yeah?
Descending manner.
Exactly, yes. So I'm expecting the market to push up. Even here, if it creates a correction, it can even here. For instance, let me try and move this one. Move this one. Even here, guys, the market, as soon as the market can create maybe okay, sorry. Yeah, the market, if it can create some correction here, I can enter. I'm sorry about my writing, but my correction mustn't be like this. I mean, mustn't be like this. Yeah? But it must be in a descending. Yeah? A little bit descending, and thereafter I enter. That's where I'll enter the trade. So even here, I can still enter, but it's risky to enter here. It's a risky to enter here. Like the other trade, like the US30, I entered, it was still on top. It was something like this. Okay, let me just.
Mr. D.
Yes, sir.
When you enter, for example, where we are right now, where will be your first target?
My first target.
At the end of the structure. Yeah.
Okay, my first target. Okay, I'll tell you now. I'll tell you my target. Where my target gonna be? I'll tell you where my target gonna be. Because I'm on 15 minutes, né? I can't see what is happening on the other side. So let me just go on 1 hour and just check. And to check something on 1 hour, there's nothing showing on this left-hand side because my target, according to me, I think I target the last. Let me go to 4-hour time frame. My PC is slow. It doesn't show me anything on 4-hour time frame unless I do this. Unless I do this so that I can see what is happening on the other side. Okay, check my. Forgive me, guys. My network. I don't know. Is I don't want to say. Okay, my first target can be here, guys. That's my first target. It can be here. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, just here. That's my first target. Can be here, but I'll push all the way and my second target here. But normally when I target my target should be not exactly this one, because this one didn't touch my trend line. It didn't touch the channel.
Okay.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes.
Hence I say I check across what was happening. Okay, here it touched the channel. This one should supposed to be my first target. This one, and I go up again. The other one that will touch, the other one that will even here. This is my second target. Are we still together?
You must buy a MacBook Pro, Mr. D.
You know, I'm laughing at good man. He said, Mr. D, you made enough money today to buy a MacBook Pro. Upgrade your laptop, please. Yeah, right, man. No. I don't know, guys. It's yeah, it's no, the laptop that I have, yeah, I don't know. Not that I don't know what happened with it. Is we had a problem with electricity. So yeah, so that it pains me because I used to like that laptop, man. I used to like that laptop. So I'm not in a place of buying any laptop because this one is still working for me perfectly. Guys, I'm the kind of a person who doesn't buy things for status or just buy things because I see it somewhere. No. I buy something that I need. Do I need a laptop? I'll ask myself a question. Do I need a laptop? There is a laptop that you are using. Does any need to buy a laptop? No. But I know that I need a good setup now. I need a good setup because I'm working on something now. I'm working on something. I need full screen now. I'm working on something now because I'm gonna, yeah. Yeah, I get you. So guys, I don't know if you get me. Do you guys get me?
Yes.
This correction.
Yeah.
Because this is a bull flag. This is a bull flag. This is a pattern. This is a bull flag. Yeah? So we expect it. Remember I said when we trade, what we look for the market must push up, create some correction in an ascending manner, and push up again. Check, guys, the videos that I've been sending. There's a video that has what I'm drawing here. That's what's showing. It was yesterday. Okay. So here you can still buy, and it's going up, definitely. It must go up. That's what I'm expecting, something like this. Okay?
Mr. D.
Yes, sir.
Why do you call it a bush flag when the correction is going down?
No, when the correction is?
I see, like it's descending. You said we call it the bullish bull flag.
Yeah, it's because the market is bullishing. It's going up. The market is going up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The market is going up. I don't know if you get it. You understand, guys? What I'm trying to say here.
Yes.
Let me look for something similar to this in the chart, guys. Let me look for something similar to that in the chart. In this chart, I think this one can be the one. Let me check. Okay, yes, I think this one can work because we're almost out of time. Unless you guys pay the 200 rand. I'm just kidding. Yeah.
You need to find the account.
Yes, hey guys, you have to find an account. With those 200 rand, they can go a long way. Eh? Okay. Okay, this one will last me 2 minutes. Okay, it's fine. Hey, what is it? Come on. You see, guys, I wanted to take a structure that looked the same as this one. Yeah? So this is a structure. So what happened here? The market was here, corrected, and pushed up. So meaning, this is what happened. This is a correction here. There's another correction here, and the market pushed up. Okay, if your stop loss is here, you are safe. Because this one came back and went inside and still pushed out. Sometimes it can keep on pushing, not doing like this, but it can still keep on pushing. I don't know if you understand me, guys.
Yes, sir.
What about other people?
Yes, 100%.
So you guys, I'll expect you in a group to send me something like this. Go and analyze your chart. I want the complete chart being analyzed. Like, I want to see all these lines and you post it in a group. Yeah, guys, because really, just we'll send it in a group, just guys. So just go to your thingy, analyze the chart, and send it to the group. Everyone, guys, everyone. No one gonna be wrong. No one gonna. So I don't know if I can make maybe a list and say we're gonna start with so and so is next, so and so is next. Can you do like that? Can you have a list? Can you do a list? That maybe let me make an example. William will send this thing, but the thing is, some of you you use your phone when you analyze the chart. Those who can even on the phone, you can just analyze and just show me what you can see. You can do on your phone, and we take it from there, guys. I didn't notice we are about to be cut off, guys. We are about to be cut off. 40 minutes is over. I don't know if you can do another chart.
Coming back.
Let's go to the group and discuss. If you want to do another chart, we'll discuss it on the group, okay?